Officials have released the sketches of terrorists, two Kashmiri men who went to Pakistan in 2018, suspected to be among the terrorists who killed tourists based on eyewitness accounts. The Jammu and Kashmir police released the sketches of three Pakistanis who carried out the attack. In fact, my colleague Shreya Upadhyay sent us this report earlier in the day from Dal Lake.
In fact, I have been one of those people who put out those videos where I said that everything is normal and the tourists should come in because that was the reality of that time. But today I'll show you the reality of Dal Lake. As we speak, Sneha, behind me, the Houseboat Association is protesting against the terror attack, the horrific terror attack that has happened in Baisaran Valley of Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir. There are long queues of shikara, Sneha, that one can see behind me. They're all Houseboat Association people who stand in solidarity with the victims, with the survivors and the families of those who've lost their lives. Also, what I've been witnessing here, and it stands in stark contrast to, what we've been seeing since yesterday, and that is a very rightful and understandable concern among tourists who have, flocked to Kashmir from across the country to enjoy the scenic beauty and enjoy the culture of Kashmir. They have had concerns of their own security. They want to go back. But the silver lining in all of this, Sneha, is the fact that tourists here are telling me that nothing can break their spirit at the moment. They will keep coming back to Jammu and Kashmir. They want the people of Kashmir to prosper, unlike what we have been seeing by the Pakistan-sponsored terror attack that has been perpetrated on Indian soil. But tourists across Srinagar for the moment, and I've been talking to the elderly, to young Kashmiri voices, to women, to men, all of them say that we believe in our security forces, we have faith in our government, and we are sure that this dastardly attack will be avenged. And that is something that has echoed across age groups, across, communities, across all the groups that have been protesting today. While, Sneha, remember, we collectively mourn the victims of this dastardly attack, there's also a lot of outrage and angst and understandable anxiety about this, and a lot of anger. And since morning today, whether it's Jammu region or Kashmir region or even different parts of the country, we have witnessed protests from groups. Right now, as I showed you, there was a Houseboat Association which was protesting. There were also traders which were protesting at Lal Chowk this morning. There were student groups who had come out at this very Dal Lake, and they were standing in solidarity with the victims and saying, do not kill innocent, unarmed civilians. We condemn terrorism. Let Jammu and Kashmir prosper. So this is the kind of sentiment that prevails here, that yes, there are concerns and there is, tragedy that has struck all of us as a people, but there's also that silver lining that needs to be perhaps cherished at the moment. That is the Indian spirit of resilience, and that is being witnessed across the valley today here.